Hello everyone, welcome to the TechCraft Studio. If you are planning to build a CRM system with Django or you are a freelancer who needs ready to customize a CRM for clients, you are in the right place. Instead of starting from an empty Django project and spending weeks implementing authentication, user roles, dashboards, lead management, and customer tracking, I built a complete CRM system. Today I will walk you through every major feature so you can see exactly what's included. Let's get started. So this is the landing page. The project includes a secure authentication with login, sign up, logout and a password reset functionality. Each user has a specific role. There are two user types, organizer, agent. Each role sees different data and has different permission. This is our lead management, but first, after logging in, this is the dashboard. Here you can instantly monitor total leads, new leads, leads added in for past last 30 days and converted in last 30 days. And also you can see the chart like that. So next, everything updates dynamically, giving managers a quick overview of business performance. This is our lead management. We can create a lead uh, like that. You have to fill the form and submit and go back to leads and you can see the lead in the lead management. So after saving it, it appear in this system. You can edit, delete or assign it later like this. You can view these leads like you can overview of your leads. Also converted contacted category. You can change your category like that. So I change like that. And also you can update the details and delete the lead. So this is the feature that we have done in this project. And one of my favorite features is agent management. An organization can create multiple agents for the organization. Each agent only sees leads again assigned to them. This keeps the application secure, organized for growing sales teams. So you can also view a overview of agent, specific agent, and you can also update and delete the agent. And you can also create a agent like that after submit. This appear in the system. So this is the my favorite feature, as I said. And all we have every lead moves through different stages like a new, contacted, negotiation, converted, lost, like that. When a lead is marked as converted, the system automatically record the conversion date. That makes report much easier. We can also create categories by tapping view categories. And I created that category and you also create a category that we create a lost category and after creating you can change your category and it also appears in the dashboard like that you can see. Okay, so this is our dashboard. It look much easier for business. So every lead includes a follow-up records and you can add follow-ups like that. You can add notes, upload documents, contacts, PDFs or images. Like here, I write hello and attach anything image file like that. And after submit, here you can see the follow-up and you also update the follow-up and also delete p. Okay, guys? And you can also download this attachment like that if you want. This helps sales teams maintain complete communication history. Okay, guys. This project is built using Django, Python, Tailwind, SQLite for development, but I implement PostgreSQL, so this is much heavier. Cloudinary, SandGrid, white noise, class-based views, role-based access control, and multi-tenant architecture. Everything is structured to be clean, scalable, and easy to customize. You can see that you can also customize your design. Like I just मैंने अभी ये सिंपल डिजाइन ही बनाई है, बट आप लोग इसमें कुछ अतरंगी कर सकते हो इफ वांट, बट इसमें बैकएंड बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है, ठीक है. And this project is perfect for Python developers, Django developers, and freelancers, software agencies, startup, uh, computer science students. Okay. And if you like to save development time and get this complete source code, installation guide, and all the features on the video, you can download the project from my Gumroad page. This link is in the description. And if you have any question, features, request, leave them in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also share it with Django developers. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. And please subscribe कर देना.